Hello guys and welcome to a new YouTube video by Dr. Niki's tutorials channel. In today's tutorial we're gonna see how we can change the default media player app. Let's get started. Let's go to the settings from here, click in the settings and click apps, click default apps, and yeah, here is the video player. I'm gonna choose, for example, the VLC or something. Yeah, because I like it. And yeah, now all the videos are with played by the VLC. Just, you know, a screen lag or something, but it's now, yeah, everything as you see. And now, yeah, here's the VLC, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this tutorial, subscribe for more videos and hit the like button. If you have any questions, type into the comments below. Thanks guys.